The Edo State House of Assembly on Tuesday passed a resolution calling on the President of the Nigerian Labour Congress, Comrade Joe Ajaero, to shelve the proposed leadership change of the present NLC Exco in Edo State. This follows a motion raised by the Majority Leader, Honorable Jonathan Iyamu. BTV News State House correspondent Ajaero Agwebo reports that the lawmakers also condemned the return of CDAs and their activities in the states.
Presenting the motion calling on the President of the Nigeria Labour Congress, Comrade Joe Ajaero, to shield the proposed leadership change of the present NLC Exco in Edo State, led by the present chairman, Comrade Bernard Egwahide, with a critical committee, the Majority Leader, Honorable Jonathan Iyamu, said there is an harmonious labour force devoid of strife under the leadership of Comrade Bernard Egwahide, and change of the present Exco can only be done at the end of their tenure to guarantee a peaceful and harmonious working environment.
Whereas the importance of a united and harmonious labour force, devoid of strife and not by strife in Edo State under the leadership of the present chairman, Comrade Bernard Egwahide, that the proposed leadership change of the Nigeria Labour Congress Edo State Charter should be put on hold in the interest of peace and harmony. 2. At the present leadership of the Nigeria Labour Congress, under the leadership of Comrade Bernard Egwahide, should be allowed to function until the end of the tenure of the present Exco.
Other lawmakers supported the motion, stating that the proposed leadership change of the present Exco in Edo State should be put on hold in the interest of peace and harmony.
I stand this morning to speak in favor of the motion ably moved by the Majority Leader, calling on the President of the Nigerian Labour Congress, Mr. Joe Ajaero, to shelve any plans he has to dissolve the Nigerian Labour Congress Edo State Chapter and replace it with his own lackeys.
We do not need labour crisis. We do not need crisis that will know what our governor, what the state senator, the governor is performing. So, Speaker, just like the rightly asked question, the tenure of Bernard Joe Egwahide is substantive, it is running.
Bernard Joe Egwahide, any other Exco apart from the Exco led by Bernard Egwahide, they are saboteurs and we treated as such. So the agreement that this solution should be adopted by this House, we say aye. Those against say the ayes have it.
In another development, the lawmakers received a petition from civil society groups in Edo State calling on the lawmakers to look into the issue of return of CDAs and their notorious activities. The lawmakers condemned their return and their activities in the state, noting that they won't be tolerated by the state government. The petition was referred to the House Committee on Public Petitions.
We give us time for them to use somebody as an example in this House. We want also appeal to the state governor to also set up a task force that will keep to monitor every area, every site.
Meanwhile, a bill for a law to establish the Edo State Parks and Garden Agencies came through its third reading. Ajaero Agwebo reporting for BTV News.